Bowl bakers, I'm Gemma Stafford, and this week on Bigger Bolder Baking we are making this brownie bowl. One bowl, 2 minutes in the microwave, best dessert ever. So my cake bowls are proving to be still so popular on my website week after week. So I thought, how can we make this series even better? And then I thought a brownie bowl, which is just another way that we can get brownie faster into our bodies. So this is fantastic. I'm all about this. So here I have a microwave safe bowl. You just want something that's kind of like a soup bowl, around 1.5 cups in volume. And into this, I am going to add in a little bit of all-purpose flour, just regular plain flour. Then I'm going to add in some sugar. Now I know this seems like a lot of sugar, however, these cake bowls are designed for 2 people. Now let's talk about our chocolate in this delicious brownie. So my favorite brownies are made with actual cocoa powder and no pure chocolate, which I absolutely love because it just gives you an extra level of chocolate. It's like really intense. I will say for this brownie bowl, we are going Dutch process. I'll tell you why. It is much smoother, it's really good quality, and you just get like even more of a chocolate hit. So it just takes this brownie bowl to like the next level. To this, we're going to add in a little bit of salt, because chocolate and salt are best friends, and you have to have salt in a brownie. Now we're just going to give those ingredients a little bit of a mix together, get everything really well combined. You will notice that there's no raising agent in this, and often in the brownie there is not, because you don't want that lift. You don't want to make it cakey, you want it fudgy, and that's what this is. It's a bowl of just pure, rich chocolate fudge. Now, for our liquid, into our dry ingredients, we are going to add in some milk. You can use any type of milk you like. You can even use a dairy-free milk. A little bit of oil. Now, I will tell you a little chef's tip, and I've done this before. This brownie, if you're trying to just like really kick it up a notch, if you make it with a lightly flavored olive oil, it just makes it like that much better, because the olive oil is a little bit nutty, it's salty, it has so much more flavor than a vegetable oil or a canola oil, and it just like, it really like takes it up a notch and just brings it to the next level, which makes it like really delicious. So I'm just putting that out there. If you'd like to try it, or even try half and half, that's totally up to you. And here we go, splash of vanilla extract. Now the beauty about cake bowls, brownie bowls, whatever it is you mix it with no fancy ingredients, just with a regular old fork. So in we go, and all you want to do is just mix it until it forms a batter. So when I first started out on YouTube, I was known as the queen of the mug cakes, because we had huge hits with some of our most popular, like brownie in a mug, pizza in a mug, ramen in a mug. So if you are into microwave mug recipes, then definitely check my videos out. I have so many, almost 100 different flavors, sweet and savory. There's something there for everybody. Okay, lovely, this is smooth. Check that out, look how fudgy that is. Last but not least, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. Give them a little stir around. The last thing I'm going to do is just tidy around the bowl, because this is also going to be our presentation dish. How long does that take us? Like 2 minutes. We are ready to go into the microwave, so follow me over here and we're going to cook this off. So the beauty of cakes that you make in the microwave, they cook really fast. You do want to keep an eye on it, however, so we're just going to put it in for 1.5 minutes at first. Then we're going to check on it and add more time if needed. Just so you know, my microwave wattage is 1200 watts, which is high, so check the wattage of your microwave because your timing may vary. Okay, that was our ding, so let's check on our brownie. On the top, as you can see, it's cooked. It's still a little bit doughy in the middle, so I'm going to give it another 20 seconds. So that was an extra 20 seconds, and I can see the batter is still running, so I'm going to pop it back in for another 20 seconds. So this is still a little bit running, so I'm going to add another 20 seconds. The best thing to do is cook it off in 20-second intervals until you can tell that the top is kind of set and the batter isn't runny anymore. So no more hanging around while this is still warm. Let's head over, top it and taste it. So you can get creative and customize your brownie any way you like. I'm going to keep it traditional with a big old scoop of vanilla ice cream and some lovely homemade caramel sauce on top. Chocolate lover or not, there is no one who could resist this brownie bowl. So we crafted this bowl to be everything you love about a brownie, which is exactly that fudgy center. This is one bowl. It is rich, it is decadent, it is warm, melty, lava-like fudgy center of a brownie. If you want to see more cake bowls, then stick around. I've got red velvet, carrot cake, banana, so definitely check those out. I'll see you back here again really soon.